Hi everybody, it's La Rosa. Welcome back to our channel, formerly the Mbambas. Today I am actually going to review this tension rod, shower curtain rod from XIQIYY. I might be saying it wrong, and that is why I'm going to go ahead and read the actual name and show you guys. You guys know how we do it. So the actual brand is X, like X-ray I for India, Q for Queen, I, and then YY. So I want to say XIQIYY. I might be saying it wrong. XIQIYY. I might be saying it wrong, but it's gonna be in the description box. Also, you can get it from Amazon, right? And then it's gonna be, I'm gonna put in my description box, I'm gonna put some code so that way you guys can get some discounts. Please make use of it. And this is very portable. It came in a very big box and I thought it was something, but we're gonna check it out. This one is actually the 18 to 42 inches size. Now let me show you the actual stuff, that way in case you go to Amazon. So this is their store where you can search XIQIYY. You get, this is what they look like. Really affordable, guys. Tension rod, that's it. Plus you get a discount, so you can hang it in between your counter space in the kitchen, use it in your toilet as shower, in your bathroom as a shower rod, and this is the other things they have in the store. So please go ahead and check it out. I just wanted to show you guys. So the black and white are very popular right now. So see, they're very, very affordable. This is 18 to 32 inch one and all that stuff. Very affordable. Look at this person. They put it under their cabinet, their kitchen cabinet. So this is really nice. It mustn't be shower cap. It mustn't be for shower curtain. So I'm gonna read the specifications and then we'll see what it looks like. Look at that in the closet. And this is really cool that they can do that part. So pretty telescopic in. Pretty telescopic in. Anyway, so that's the store, the brand in the store, zeros and all that stuff. Now let's go ahead and read the specifications. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't at this point. So it actually blends, this color blends with the line walls, the tile walls, the glass walls, the wooden walls, wallpaper, marble wall. And then on this area, the round part is about 1.9 inches. It has that one, and then that one turns around, the expansion lock, custom spring, stainless steel, that rod head. Also, it has multiple rod head sizes available for people who want. They have 16 inches to 74 inches, 16 inches to 82 inches, 16 inches to 82 inches, and depending on the sizes you want, they can combine that and that and that. Style 1, style 2, style 3. That is what that is. And then normal, no drill mounting, keeps the wall dry and hygienic. Measurement of use distance we put to 2 to 3 inches longer than intended distance. And then rotating fixed right end. Compress the rod to the to ensure tension, and then raise and level the shower rod. So that's how you go ahead and mount that part. Now if you want to mount it with a patch, keep the walls dry and hygienic. Measure the distance and install the patch at the horizontal height, which is what, there and there. And then because it's gonna come like this, like a hedge, then we'll put to 2 to 3 inches longer than intended, just in case when I expand it. Rotating fixed right end. And then if you are in doubt, like over there, check out the detailed installation video in the purchase link. So the load capacity, this can carry about 15 to 25 pounds. The name, of course, shower curtain rod. Material stainless steel, and then all those size options. If you want even longer one, 43 to 73 inches, they have that too. And that's all the places you can place it: in the closet, in between, wherever, the windows. It also, you can put it in windows, like window for curtains, and then shower. So guys, we have instruction manual in it inside, so let's check it out. So let's go ahead and open it up. I have the instructions and then the installation tips are there. You can pause and read it. And then I think this one says what the installation of long ABC tubes. Install the end rod. You can pause this and you can pause it and and see. So and read it. You can pause it and read it. Let's go ahead and open this up. So the rod head, and then if you were using this patch like I said, where you're going to hook it like so, that's when you do your measurement and whatnot in that part. So this is what we got. Okay, so we have to pay very close attention to this unless you're already watching YouTube. Now I already said it earlier that if you just want C and A, I'm going to show you the different sizes of rods first. This is your rod A. This is your rod B. Looks like we have 2B. I might be wrong, but rod C is the shortest. Now with these things are removable, which I did in the first place, but do not remove them. Leave this on because you will need it to tighten it up when you try locking it. So if you just want C and A, you get 18 to 35 inches, which is just this one and this one, or probably this one inside because you have to expand it. You get only 18 to 35 inches. 18 inches. If you want only A and B, you get about 34. This is A and B. You get about 34 to 42 inches. Plus of course this one is a spring, the one with the spring, and then minus C. And then if you want the three of them, A, B, C, all this is minus this one. A, B, and C, you will get 42 inches to 49 inch straight. Now if you want, and I'm reading it from here, if you want C, A, B, B, C, which is all the 4 sizes, this is where you will get between 54 inches and 61 inches, which is A, B, and C. So that is what will help with installation. Okay, so that is that part. Now over here it says with the A, the A to installation method and blah blah blah, whatever, that part. Now installation method, the first says take A and install B to A and then lock it to lock. So we'll do the first part, which is A, and then take B. Of course we're going to leave this, bring this up here so it can fit in and lock until it's locked. It's locked. That's AB. Now instruction number 2 says what? If you only want to do for short, this is for medium B pipe. If you just want installation for C, for short C, that's when you just put A and C, and that is when it will give you 18 to 35 inches. I wouldn't put B, I would just put A and C, and then put, I will just put the rod head. So that is for that part, for number 2. And then number 3 is for long installation, A plus B plus C tube, or and then that's what we'll do that part. We'll do the 3 of them, A plus B plus C. Actually we'll do A, B, B, C, just so that you guys see, and then install the rod ends before we start cleaning walls and all that. So I rechecked it. So of course your A has this white stuff, your B goes in, pull this up and it goes there. Your C must go in if you want to add C, if you want to extend it. If not, you can stop it here with the one on the spring. So your C goes in next. And then the easy thing to remember is that this big part only goes for A. We'll have one big rod end and one small rod end. You see, This, if you're stopping it here without this, is different, but you need your spring anyway. So this is too big for the spring. So easy to remember. The small rod end goes for the small, you know, for B, A, B, C, B. And then this one goes up here, if you like. So we'll attach our rod end here. So our spring, I have to put it before I screw it. So that's where it goes, like so. So this is your main setup. Now, I didn't measure where I want to put it. I have to look for somewhere. I just want to let you know how it is. If you want to use the patch, this is where you put it in the way that the patch is sliced and stays in the patch. So of course the patch has whatever glue when you peel anything you want to peel. That is for that part. So we want to put it without a patch. Now I just have to find a way. Let me see how I can measure this and make it fit here. This is our goal right here. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and remove. I don't want to mess with my A. Let's remove C. Because I didn't measure it. So this is what I want. So I'll keep C behind and try this. Instead of the regular shower curtain and all that stuff. So this is what I want to try. So it said expand it more than you intend to. Two to 3 inches more than you intend to. I'm gonna tighten it up first. And then align it. Okay, so there we go. This is just me using it here. My phone died, I had to recharge. Like I was saying, so this is me using it as what do you call it? As a hanger. I could easily fit it in the closet or not, but that's what it looks like. So let's try this somewhere else. Stay tuned. It's easy to take off. Press that spring out there. Then nothing on the wall at all. Nothing. That's for using this one. It couldn't fit in my shower area, or rather say in the bathtub, on top of the bathtub. So I came to my bathroom and the toilet seat area. So now this is without the C. I'm gonna try and put the one, I'm gonna try to put the C part in it so it can fit in here. Who knows? It might end up being very useful here. I'll figure out where to put it. But for the sake of this video, I'm trying to do as much as I can. I know we'll get the idea by now. And if you're still here, thank you. So, right there. And then let's put the C in it. Remember, that goes like that. You can squeeze the cap together if it doesn't. And then put it there. Just turn it. Push the cap up. Let's see. With the C, it's already like this. So let's see. And this is because I didn't measure where I want to put it. And it looks like this is one from what do you call it? I looked at the paper. I finally looked at it to see what one. So you see, it's about 2 inches more than what I needed. Let me put it like this so we can see what I'm doing. So this is about 2 inches more. It's about 2 inches more. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this part in. We'll start from the bottom. I think I will roll it. I'm gonna push it so that right there. There we go. Heavy duty. So how about let me put it somewhere here and leave it there permanently. Not permanently, temporary though. Is it shown? Okay. This one is moving. So I think this place is wider than this area. Okay, so let's pretend to hang some towel, which is not what's gonna be over here. Okay, you get the idea. So in conclusion, like I said, I found out that this is the 28 to 48 inches rod. It wasn't what I said earlier. One I ended up getting was this one from the company. XIQIYY shower cotton rod, 28 to 48 inches, adjustable tension cotton rod, heavy duty tension rod, black spring cotton rod. You know, all those tags and all that stuff. So don't forget, guys. I'll leave it here for now. I didn't know where I'll put it. I knew there are spots where I could put it, but because I didn't measure, see, it fits, it just works. I have so many corners in this house, so it works. But please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to check the description box, guys. Please go in there, click there, get some discount codes, you know, patronize them, rather, you know, make sure, patronize them, you know, make sure you get from them. I'm really actually impressed. And if I wanted to use those stickers, the actual stickers, then I can put them somewhere, but I'm keeping that for a different occasion because this is really good. I like the tension. It's very good. I actually thought it was going to break the wall or something, but that spring in there is very good. And I think the black goes with everything. This is really nice. So guys, they sent the updated instructions. Here it says these are all the accessories, and if the condition in the picture occurs, please, you know, follow the steps in the picture. Do not pull out. That's if this happens, this, and then push that part and come out like that. And it says, please note the rotating expansion screw. The lever can also be rotated to unlock or lock, which is what we did in the video. On that expansion screw, you can lock it and unlock it, which is nice right there. And then here I say installation of short tube swivels, so you can put it there and can lock, and, you know, turn it to lock and turn it the other way to unlock. And then here instruction for you stretch to desired size swivel lock. Start with one end against the wall and squeeze the telescopic tube 1 to 2 inches inward like we did, and then lift up on the pipe. Lift up on the pipe to relieve pressure to ensure it doesn't fall out. And the installation is complete. If you have questions, ask them on Amazon. So yeah, we got it. Thank you so much. Alright guys, bye. See you in my next video. Ciao.